Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how late night pumping became my quiet time, and why many mothers find these peaceful moments special during a busy day. During the daytime, life can feel very busy. Between caring for the baby, household responsibilities, work, and daily tasks, there is often very little time to slow down and focus on yourself. For many mothers, late night pumping becomes one of the few moments when everything is quiet. The house is calm, distractions are reduced, and there is a chance to sit down and relax for a few minutes. At first, late night sessions may feel tiring. Waking up or staying up late is not always easy, especially when caring for a young baby. However, many mothers eventually find a rhythm that works for them. Some mothers use this time to listen to music, watch a favorite show, read a book, or simply enjoy a few peaceful moments without interruptions. The quiet atmosphere can make the session feel less rushed compared to busy daytime hours. It becomes a chance to slow down and focus on a simple routine. Many mothers also find that these moments help them reflect on their day and prepare mentally for the next one. Of course, every mother's schedule is different. Some prefer morning sessions, while others find that nighttime fits better into their lifestyle. The important thing is creating a routine that feels comfortable and sustainable. Even a few quiet minutes can make a difference during a busy stage of life. With consistency, preparation, and a calm environment, late night pumping can become more than just a routine. It can become a peaceful moment of self-care. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.